G'day all, Cam King here with my Evo 10 final edition. In this video, I'm going to do something that everybody can do. What is that, you say? Tyre tats. I've already started on 3 of the wheels. I left over one so I can show you how I did it. But so far it's looking very good. As you see, I got the word Evolution X just to match the car. I got the red X because it's final edition, just to be different. You can get whatever you want. I sourced the supplier in Australia. This is what they send me. It's an American site. Send it in a bag. Comes with the glue. Tyre tattz with a Z on the end, not a S. They were very helpful. I found them on Facebook, spoke to them, told them what I wanted. They sorted it out. So about the install, first thing you want to do is degrease the tyres. Get any of that tyre shine or whatever else you've put on there, road gunk. Get them clean. Wash the tyres, normal car wash. Then what I'm using after that, just mineral turpentine, nothing special. Give it a good wipe. The bond between the sticker or the tat and the tyre is the main thing. You don't want to be going losing all your tats. So like I said, the bond is the most important thing. Make sure it's really clean. Give it a good amount. Clean the area where you'll be working. As you see, still a lot of gunk on there after the degrees and the wash. So now you want to mark your tyre. I'm going to use the radius that's already on there. Just something simple. I'm going to pinch my fingers. Use my nail to mark the tyre. You don't need too much. Just a guide to follow. So I get them all in the same position on each tyre. I'm going to start from the middle, work my way to the start and then to the end. Now with the glue, it's the most important that you get it right to the corners. Get good coverage. Yes, you're going to get glue all over your fingers. There's no way of stopping that. So I've got good coverage. Get it in position, give it a good push. The super glue works pretty quick, as you see. I got a second rag just to help push it on. Don't hold it on too long because the excess glue may glue your rag to the tyre. Once again, good coverage, get right up to those edges. Try not to glue yourself to the tap. I've already done it once. In between each letter I'm leaving about 2 to 3 millimeters. And what you have to be careful of, some of them have been cut on the radius, obviously to follow the radius of the tyre. Double check it before you put it on, make sure you got it the right way up. So if you're wondering how much I'm putting on, really good coverage. This part of the tyre is not too bumpy. They're sitting really flat to start with, so I'm not using the rag to push them down. They're sitting really nice. I can feel how good they're sitting. So I won't bore you. I'll skip to the end and show you the final result. So that's the final wheel done. Took me about 10 minutes. Very simple and effective. What do you think? So once you got all your tyre tats on, it's best to go along and check all the corners, all the edges, just to make sure they're being glued down properly. You don't want any start peeling up. Over time, gunk will get behind there and they'll peel off. So I've found 3 or 4 already. Fix them up, done, tyre shine, and then you go for a photo shoot. Let's go.